Okay, now we can do a search, and let's go to admin config security review. So these are the settings, and we can set which roles we trust and which ones we don't. I'm going to set authenticated users as an untrusted role as well. Let's save these settings, and let's go to run and review. And this will run through several tests to see where there might be security flaws in our configuration. So these are all of the different checks here, and we were just talking about permissions, and at this point, we're good on the permission side. Let's see what happens if we assign one of those administrative or trusted Drupal permissions to an untrusted user role. So let's go to people, and I'm going to open up permissions in a new tab, and let's give anonymous users the ability to administer CSS assets. I'll scroll down to the bottom and click Save Permissions, and now let's run this again. Okay, now we get a warning here, and we can click on the details to learn a little bit more about what's going on. And it says that the anonymous user role has the Administer CSS Assets Injector permission. Okay, nice. I'm going to go back, and I'll go to the permissions page and uncheck this permission for anonymous users and save it.